Hello everybody. Today you will see episodes about police instant karma, driving fails, and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. This video is made for educational purposes and informational guide and contains significant original text commentary. USA, Dayton, Ohio. This guy for whatever reason thought it would be a good time to speed past a cop while showing me who's boss.
That's a cop, dumb fuck. He's gonna get got by the fucking cops! Ah! Oh, that's fucking great. Oh, that sucks. Oh, buddy. You can't park there.
Canada, cop catches Jeep making an illegal right turn. Canada, running a red light past a cop. USA, bypassing traffic in right turn lane. USA, guy runs red, causes accident. Cop conveniently was behind.
We could all be in trouble for that later on. Angrily, I shoved my hands in my pockets and looked away. I am grateful for your delicate handling of this situation, Captain Connor.
Saudi Arabia, why did they run a red light? USA, convenient Miami cop. France, man overtakes across a solid white line. USA, impatient driver in 20 miles per hour school zone. USA, Mountain View, California area. USA, speeding Toyota.
Confirm that.
Nothing that I know of.
Well, you have a bad memory, so I'm going to put that on you.
Yeah, no, dude, there was a truck, but it wasn't an old truck like that.
Well, did he deliver
Yes,
stuff like...
he did
All right.
deliver no bottles, though. No
All right,
bottles.
okay, but he was a delivery man in a truck.
No, he had a trucking company
Well, trucks.
in the garment center.
Okay. All right.
Which Ronnie's talked about on the air.
I don't remember that.
Canada, mounted police stop 2 suspects accused of attempted robbery. What are your thoughts? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to send your clips and stay safe.